vena cava is originated from the inferior, from the posterior inferior aspect of the right atrium, and it descends down up to the level of the L5 lumbar vertebra, right? So in this very region, we have the descending, we have the inferior vena cava. When the inferior vena cava intersect the diaphragm, when it comes down the diaphragm, then eventually it is giving two branches, right? So these are, we have the inferior phrenic veins on the both side. One we have the left inferior phrenic vein, and one we have the right inferior phrenic vein. As you can see, these are, we have the phrenic veins, this very structure, right? These are, we have the phrenic veins, right? This is on the left side, and similarly we have on the right side another phrenic vein, right? Now at the level of the L1, the inferior vein, okay, so just just below the inferior phrenic veins, we have three veins that are draining into the inferior vena cava, and these are, we have the right, left, and the middle hepatic veins, right? Left, right, left, and the middle hepatic veins. Okay, then at the level of the L1, there are actually three veins that are draining into the inferior vena cava, but these are, we have the renal vein, right? These are, we have the renal veins, and then we have the suprarenal vein. Actually, the suprarenal vein drains the the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland, as you can see over the kidney, we have this very structure, and this is called the adrenal gland, so it is draining the adrenal gland, right? And similarly, the third structure is the gonadal vein, right? So this very structure is probably the gonadal vein, as you can see, right? Now there is a variation that is present on the right side as well as on the left side. All the three veins on the right side are draining individually into the inferior vena cava, while on the left side only the the renal vein is draining directly into the inferior vena cava, while the suprarenal gland, the suprarenal vein, or the suprarenal vein, or the adrenal vein, as well as the inferior, as well as the gonadal vein is draining, they are draining into the renal veins actually, right? So there is a difference between the right portion and the left portion of the body, right? Now if we descend down to the lumbar region, then at the level of the L1, 2, 3, and 4, right?